मैं आई
आजा। Hi guys!
What's up?
Welcome to our channel Pretty Little Things, and thank you so much for liking our videos. And now we're going to do another one for you guys, which is what's in our bags.
What's in a bag, Shaurya?
So
let's just go one by one. We'll keep picking out one product and talking about it.
okay,
What do you have?
what do I have? So I have the most important thing of my life. I'm actually andha. And I need to carry my frames with me. So this is my huge ass frame. I cannot
It's
work
so
with
cute.
that.
You're so cute with them.
Yes, I picked this up from Forever 21 and this is so cool. I love it.
She has so many frames. Like even if she forgets one or two at my place, she's like, oh, keep it. Next time I'm gonna pick them up.
So that's that. What do you have?
For me, something similar is Maria Bands. You guys
She-
know I'm obsessed with them.
More than obsessed, it's called addiction.
Yeah, and my
Yes.
latest obsession is with these pink frames.
Looks so cool. Oh, and this was the one you were wearing at your wedding.
Yeah, I especially bought these because they were matching with my lehenga, and we literally almost had like a Ray-Ban wedding because at every function we were like this.
Okay, so let me dig into mine. The next very important thing that I have is my wallet. I keep everything in this, so it's not just for money, it's for everything. My bills, some notes that someone has given me, or be it anything. I just keep everything in my wallet. This one is from Dam Milano, and it's a really pretty wallet with all of these cards and stuff there.
You've kept everything so nicely.
Yes, I mean, this is, if I lose this or if I don't have this in my bag, I can't live with like that.
So I keep my wallet too with me. This is what I gifted myself, Michael Kors wallet. And I don't have any money. So yeah, I'm broke right now, Shaurya. Where did my money go? And I have Orbit in it for
Oh,
some
yes.
odd reason.
With that, I remember I have mint too. It's very important to keep mint. You would need it any time of the day. And this is really nice. You want to try it?
Yeah,
It's from Cafe CCD, Cafe Coffee Day. I really like it.
we used to have this back then also.
Yes. No.
Yeah, I remember taking it.
So that might be something else, but this is a recent thing from Cafe.
I've been buying it since before you even knew about it.
So that's that, and your turn.
So next I have is my diary.
And it's pink.
Yes, everything has to be pink. Very cute little diary, and because I have to schedule so many posts for you guys and there's so many things I need to do throughout the day, I write everything in this and I carry it with me.
Yes, so I think we're pretty similar in that as well. Even I have a diary and a chotu sa pen with me. This is
Oh, so cute.
this is a very cute little chotu sa diary that I have. I mean, I don't have to take notes or something, but just in case, you know, sometimes I'm just sitting and thinking about something and a thought pops up in my head, it goes here.
I have a pink pen too, which my father-in-law gave me because he knows I love pink.
It's also pink, it has pink flowers.
Yes. So next I have a compact which is by MAC. It's called, this is DB3, and this basically just, you know, helps me to get through my day, which is basic stuff.
I think all of us girls have a similar thing in our bag. I have a compact again, and this is by Maybelline. This is their Fit Me range, and I'm really liking this. I mean, even if it's so hot in Pune right now, it just, you know, you dab it on your face and it gets rid of your excess oil. And I think this is a really necessary product to keep in your bag, because for me, so what happens is I leave home at 9:30, 10, and I get back really late. So just in case I have plans with my friends, this works.
I have to go for shoots, I do my makeup, I go out. I stand under the sun and everything gets washed out. The only thing that can help me fix at last minute is this. Next is my, basic best lipstick which I have is by MAC. It's called Mehr, and this is like a very nice, basic nude shade and color shade. It's a basic nude shade. I'm so proud of you. Okay, so yeah, so when you put it on, it just gives a very nice
Your lips but better sort of
Yeah.
thing, and it's so pretty. I like this shade.
Yeah.
So I'll take out my shade, my lipstick color that I have. So I have two things basically. I keep a lip balm for sure. I always keep a lip balm with me. This is the Nashio Sheer Butter Lip Balm. It's really nice. You guys should try that out. And then I keep this lip color. This is from Dior, and it's such a pretty color.
Yeah,
It's
damn nice.
I don't know, I have something for coral, and this is the kind of shade which you can wear it in office during the day and also at night. You just put in 2-3 layers and you're good to go.
Dior.
Yes. This is the Rouge Dior 028 Mazette. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Wait, what?
Mazette.
Mazette.
Mazette. Or Mazette. I don't know.
Mazette. It's Mazette.
We're just gonna write it there.
Yeah, so even I have this lip balm which I carry around with me, and it's really cute. It's
And
by
it's pink.
EOS. And it smells really nice. Even if you eat it, it tastes nice. So it's just really nice.
You also do that? Eat your lip balm?
Yeah.
I think everybody
It
does that.
tastes nice. You wanna have a bite?
No, I can't have it. No. I'm gonna smell it.
Oh my god.
Hello? This smells so bloody nice. What is this? What flavor is it?
Strawberry or raspberry?
I think it's not
sure.
strawberry, it's something else.
Raspberry or something.
It's really nice.
So what else?
And the next thing that I have is a Chotu Sa perfume. This one is from Gucci.
It's so cute.
Yes, it's called Guilty Black, and it's so tiny. It's really nice.
Oh. What do I have? Then I have a perfume, but it's a bigger bottle because I don't carry my stuff around. And this is called Bombshells by Victoria's Secret.
Oh,
It's a body mist, and
it smells nice.
yes, it's a very light plastic one, so it's easy to carry around actually. So I don't mind it.
And it's a very floral sort of a
Yeah,
smell.
very light.
This one?
Everyday sorts.
This one's really strong.
Yeah.
It's
damn
strong,
nice.
yeah. It's very strong sort of a smell.
What's next? I have my earphones. Pink earphones. Pink.
I have my earphones too. They're not pink, they're black. And they're tangled. Sorry about that.
Mine are so nice. They get entangled so easily. You should buy them.
Then the next thing that you go.
Next thing that I have are my keys. And they're also pink. And got Supergirl on it.
Okay, yeah. There, I have two sets of keys. This, one second. One is my house keys with S written on it. And these are my locker keys from office. So I have these two keys left. Then what else?
Okay. I have my phone. Oh, very important. Can't leave home without it. My career depends on it. So yes, I've got my phone and my bag all the time.
Same here, bro.
2 phones.
Phones.
Working woman, she's got everything 2 or more than me.
So yeah, I've got 2 phones. Don't ask me why, but I just have 2 phones and it's very difficult to handle it. But yes, phones, most important thing.
She's so tiny and she's kind of got big phones in her hand.
And the other most important thing is these hair ties.
So many because we lose them all the time.
No, because what happens is that anybody, we get so frustrated working. So somebody, my colleague, just asked me to give me a hair tie, and it goes, and then I have to, I just carry 2, 3.
Awesome. I never find mine.
Yeah, it always gets lost. Then what do you have?
I'm done, bro.
You done?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So the next thing I have is a brush which has hair. Sorry. So brush which is pink and it's floral.
It should be with me.
I always carry this. Then the next thing I carry is a kajal. I always need a kajal with me. Always need a kajal with me. Then I'll just get this done quickly. Then this charger, very important.
Yeah, that is very important.
Because I have a long day, I cannot live without this.
Yeah.
So
I only go out for a while and come back.
yeah, that. Then my iCard, office iCard.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, look at you! So this is that, and my shades. This was from Aldo, I think. And
Okay,
these are
nice.
huge and they're huge.
Oh, so cute! Look. It's damn nice. Show it. I want to try the one.
Yeah. It looks so nice on you.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the photo shoot.
Then, oh yes, then there's one thing that I've recently started keeping in my bag is this note from Akriti's dad-in-law.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You're keeping this with you? This is so sweet.
I always keep this in my bag or whichever bag I'm carrying. It's just a note of how you should every day get up and thank God for whatever day you have and whatever a new life that you get every day. So this is that, and I always keep it with me.
So my father-in-law is a very positive and sweet and nice human being, and he always motivates people to
Yes.
do, always spreading positivity. So he gave this to her one day, and she's
I'll
been
get
carrying.
done with this quickly. I just have a painkiller. I get headaches really often, so this is that. A 1 rupee coin, some tissues, and haircuts. That's it. I'm done too. I know there were a lot of things there because I carry everything in it. And yeah, that's about it from my
Look at her bag, it's bigger than her. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we would love to see what you guys have in your bags. So
Yes.
do comment below and let us know what are the important things that you can't live without.
And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and
Subscribe to our channel.
and we'll see you in our next video, guys.
Bye-bye! These pretty sequin dresses that we are wearing are from House of Pink, and they've got a really sexy back. So
It's
please
hot.
go check them out on Instagram too.